Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Rich Sig. I'm back with another video. And today we got my boy Mystic Ultraus going up against Brave of Valkyrie, guys. So we're about to put Mystic Ultraus to the test and see if it can beat the legendary Valkyrie. Let's get it. Alright, you guys. It's time to get this show on the road. Load these bad boys up. Oh, I might have to switch the chip. Alright, we want to pause. Oh. Okay, so we're going. Oh my god. And they just killed Valkyrie. Wow. Look, guys. Just our look, now the slope and broke. Wow. What BS. What BS. Freaking Ultra did this, man. Oh my god, dude. This is annoying. This is so annoying, man. This is so fucking annoying. Because Ultra just fucking broke. The slopes off Valkyrie and fell off the launcher and hit it. Fafnir got a substitute to it. Yep. Wow, did this really just happen? My slopes broke on my chip, dude. What the? Well, I guess, guys, Mystic threw everything in that. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the hell happened. But, dude, it just broke my fucking slopes, man. It just happened to Valkyrie. Like, I tried to sub. Oh, whatever, man. We're out. Alright, you guys are back. And look at this. Look at that, you guys. Ultraus white Fafnir's nose like NBA Youngboy says. Dude, look at that. Yo, this dude is just like trying to annihilate him in that last battle. And there goes a piece from the slope that broke off. But I was able to find another one. Let's try this again. So, let's see how this. Okay, that's 1 point. Alright, Ultraus got one. Alright, let's redo that. Fafnir's holding it solid. Oh, a burst finish, bruh. 69.4 grams of pressure pressing on Fafnir. Okay, so that's 3 points. Yeah, it's 3-0. Uh-oh. This. Fafnir's moving around. Trying to find a way to get in and break through. Oh, and Ultraus still took it, bruh. Sis, you seen that? That was lit. That's 4 points.
That nigga stopped swimming.
Bruh, and he was close to bursting him too. Fafnir's on the attack. Okay. Whoa, and another burst. Whoa. 6 points. Man. Dude, if it gets 10 first, man, it's gonna be a clean, like, if it gets 10 and it's being guilty, like, it's gonna be a straight clean sweep. Oh. Nene, did you see that? Ultra's jump flew up the ramp. Did you see when it jumped and flew up the ramp? Right here on the side? Them little ramps right there? Bruh, it flew in the air and like, Fafnir, bruh. That was lit. That battle was lit. Then that's 2. I just said it's had 6. What's that? 8? Bruh. Nene, look at the knock the driver at.
You knocked the wheel again.
Bruh. Funny as heck. Well, okay, so it's 8-0, Nene. 8-0. Sis. Maybe you can get a ring out on Ultraus. Oh my god. Bro, when Ultraus starts spinning slow when it's getting ready to slow down, bro, that's when it gets real dangerous. Because it's going to do that ultra press run again. And it's going to... Yeah, and that was 10 points right there, guys. Nene, it just swept Geist Fafnir 10-0, bro. If that ain't impressive. Like, yes, it's a turbo, but if it can win it, oh my god, knocked it out and bursted it, bro. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the battle. Ultraus just like swept Geist Fafnir without even breaking a sweat, dude. I did not expect that. The beginning of the video, as y'all seen, they went at it for that clash and destroyed each other. And I know it was most of Mystic's power doing the destroying because, like I said, it wiped Fafnir's nose with that big old gash that y'all seen right here. Or here, one of the two. Oh, yeah, here. It was here. Yeah. So, I hope y'all like, comment, like, subscribe. Hit that bell for all notifications when I drop a video or any content. Follow me on Instagram at Rizzy Saragami. You feel what I'm saying? Follow that guy. Shout out to my boy Chris Wolf once again. Shout out to my boy Instaburst. Shout out to my boy Zena, Quake, and all those guys, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing. And yeah, man, I'm out. Blade on. Deuces. Peace.